strap you guys to my face. Let's get on with today's video. As you can see, we are now on the highway. We're about 10 minutes out from the local Supercar Sunday Cars and Coffee. It's pretty common for some celebrities to show up to this event. So you're gonna see anything from LaFerraris, you know, hypercars, down to supercars, to M cars, to custom builds. Pretty much everything under the moon shows up to this event because it happens every single Sunday. We got about 5 minutes left, so we're gonna go ahead and pull up. Before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like this forged carbon fiber money clip, a very minimalistic and easily accessible way of holding your cash, your credit cards, your ID, and more. Not only can you get this thing in forged carbon fiber, you can get this thing in the more traditional carbon fiber as well. In addition, you can go to simplycarbonfiber.com and get more carbon fiber accessories like watches, phone cases, even some carbon fiber sunglasses. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click the links in the description, use the code BF10 for 10% off. And with less being said, let's get back on the road and get on with today's video. In the early morning. Oh my God, and he is taking a piss as soon as we get off the highway. All right, it's just a reminder, we are in LA. Out of all the places he could have gone to the bathroom, he chooses right there. Wow. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh, the crackles are extra crisp this morning. Look at the views out here in Southern California. It never gets old. You know, me being from Michigan, I'm just not used to it. So it's gonna take probably years for me to get used to something like this. Nice little VW Bug. So we're basically here at the event. We're gonna pull in. Hopefully they have coffee because it's about 8:20 a.m. and I was up until about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning last night. So, oh. You know, I just gotta say, man, the cracks and bangs don't get old on this car. It almost adds to the character. It makes it more of an M4 when you hear those burbles and crackles. Just like that, we got the M4 parked up looking filthy. One of the dirtiest cars here, but we're also parked up next to another mineral white F80 M3. This one has red interior, which also, this is like an Avis, maybe Le Mans blue F80 M3. Those Viper gang. Wow, check out this F8 Tributo. Right next to a 458. Which one would you prefer? Interior on these carbon bucket seats. All the exotics are nice, but check out this E30 M3. You guys are gonna have to let me know what color this is, but it's beautiful. And oh my God, look at the engine. That big carbon intake right there. Definitely a track build. Wow, they did this one right. It has a digital display and everything. Extended shift knob. Wow, this is a full exposed carbon fiber 4 GT. Look at that, the whole body is carbon. Interior's orange too, this is a nice spec. Nice 992 GT3 Touring. Look at that 6-speed manual. Got a banana gang. As you see, crowds love LaFerrari. So it's probably the third one I've seen in person. The cockpit on this. I really don't think you get much better than that. The Lamborghini mirror, actually my first time seeing one. Wow, individual throttle locks, exposed and everything. Wow, look at the little mirrors on this thing too. So luckily we found some coffee. I've been to this event a couple times before, but it's never been a turnout like this. I mean, this is insane. Here we have another E30. It's actually a nice combination to see these two together. Peanut butter interior. Look at this though, V-spec. Wow, check out this 8 series. This thing is clean. This is the 852, so it has the V12. Really never see these cars. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm thinking about purchasing an older school 8 series, maybe doing some kind of V12 build. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you comment below. We could do some pretty cool stuff with this car. Check this R34. Obviously these aren't fully legal stateside yet, but see, this one was imported from Japan. Oh, that's iconic right there. With the green E46 M3, I mean, this is one of the best combos I've seen. Look at the seats inside this G80. Gosh, a nice AMG GTR. Look at all the carbon fiber on this thing. Wow, what is this thing?
It's an American LaFerrari fire truck from the 1920s.
Love it.
Gary's favorite ride of all time.
This is very cool. Can you imagine driving that thing on the road? That must be an experience. As you can see, it's already 80 degrees, but you're gonna see in like an hour, it's gonna get up to 97 out here. It already feels like it's 90. I mean, this meet is packed, a lot of cool cars. I would say for sure that LaFerrari's, you know, gotta be my favorite car here. But we got another LaFerrari. This one's an Aperta. Nice baby blue GT3 as well. Check this one out. Oh man. Kind of proud that LaFerraris have a track. This is absurd. Pretty much everybody from the event wants to see these cars. So our goal with today's video has now changed. It's now time to try and chase that LaFerrari down, see if we get some footage of it on the road with the M4. So let's go ahead and hop in the M4 and get on the road. Look at this thing. What a car. Wow. Got a cop in front of us, so this is going to be interesting. We'll say at the light though, we must look pretty cool. A mirror white, pearl white M4 next to a pearl white LaFerrari. Obviously, this costs a couple hundred times more than this car. I think these go for anywhere from $5 to $10 million, and there's only like 5 of them in the US. So this one's the Aperta, the top's down. Just a very rare car, one of the most rare cars on the planet. Oh my God, look at that car. So they are definitely in a convoy protecting that LaFerrari, as you do. I'm not gonna fall in for too long, but we just want to get a little bit of content for you guys. This is so goals right now, man. This is how I want to be with my boys, you know what I'm saying? So cool. Look at that thing. How epic is that? Right behind it. I mean, that thing takes up the whole lane. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Look at that. I mean that. Look at that. That is gorgeous.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't beat that. Look at that thing. I mean, that's just, that is absurd. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And I'll see you guys in the next video.